I'll be singing Firework by Katy Perry. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, waiting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, wind blowing from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under stream, but no one seems to think? Do you know that there's still a chance for you, 'cause there's a spark in you? You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, you're gonna shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go up. You're gonna leave them all going up. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe a reason why all the doors were closed, so you can open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow, and when it's time you will know. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go up. You're gonna shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go up. You're gonna leave 'em all boom, boom, boom. Even brighter than the moon, moon, moon. It's